Welcome back to Mind Mastery TV, where we delve into the profound wisdom of philosophy and its application in the tapestry of modern existence. Today, we embark on a journey through the resilient core of Stoicism, uncovering stories of individuals, from the annals of history to the echoes of our time, who have wielded Stoic principles to navigate through the stormy seas of personal challenges, hardships, and setbacks. The Roots of Stoicism. In the heart of ancient Greece, Stoicism emerged as a beacon of resilience, founded by Zeno of Citium. This philosophy, more than just a set of ideas, is a practical guide for living. It equips its followers with tools for developing self-control and fortitude to overcome destructive emotions. The teachings of Stoic philosophers like Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius are timeless, offering a blueprint for facing life's adversities with grace and strength. Stoicism teaches that while we cannot control external events, we can control our perceptions and reactions. This philosophy has provided solace and strength to countless individuals through the ages. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way, proclaimed Marcus Aurelius, encapsulating the Stoic belief in embracing challenges as pathways to growth. Historical Figures and Stoicism. Cato the Younger. In the political turmoil of ancient Rome, Cato the Younger stood as a paragon of Stoic virtue. Known for his steadfast integrity and his refusal to succumb to Julius Caesar's burgeoning dictatorship, Cato exemplified the Stoic ideal of maintaining moral rigor in the face of adversity. His life was a testament to the power of ethical conviction, showing that true strength lies not in conquest, but in unwavering fidelity to one's principles. Cato's ultimate act of defiance, choosing death over living under tyranny, underscores the Stoic belief in the sovereignty of the individual spirit. His legacy teaches us that some things are more valuable than life itself: freedom, virtue, and integrity. Cato's story is a powerful reminder that even in defeat, there can be victory. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela's journey from prisoner to president is a modern testament to Stoic endurance. Facing unimaginable hardships during his 27-year incarceration, Mandela harnessed the Stoic virtues of patience, forgiveness, and inner freedom. "I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul," he declared, embodying the Stoic principle that our inner world shapes our reality. Mandela's leadership and reconciliation efforts post-release demonstrated Stoicism in action. He chose not to be embittered by his past, but instead worked towards unity and peace. His life exemplifies how adopting a Stoic mindset can transform personal suffering into a force for communal healing and progress. Modern examples of Stoicism. James Stockdale. James Stockdale's ordeal as a prisoner of war in Vietnam is a profound narrative of Stoic resilience. Confronted with relentless torture and isolation, Stockdale drew upon the teachings of Epictetus, finding solace and strength within the confines of his cell. His survival and leadership under such extreme conditions showcased the practical power of Stoic philosophy in cultivating an unbreakable spirit. Stockdale's application of Stoicism under duress illustrates the philosophy's relevance beyond ancient texts and into the heart of human suffering. His story is a testament to the enduring power of Stoic principles to provide guidance, purpose, and strength in the face of life's darkest moments. Modern-day Stoics. In the bustling arenas of modern life, Stoicism continues to empower individuals across the globe. Athletes overcoming career-threatening injuries, entrepreneurs facing the brink of failure, and individuals battling chronic illnesses all share a common thread: the Stoic practice of focusing on what they can control. This ancient wisdom provides a robust framework for resilience, peace, and purpose amidst the trials of contemporary existence. The stories of these modern Stoics resonate with the timeless teachings of Zeno, Seneca, and Marcus Aurelius. They remind us that, regardless of our circumstances, we hold the power to cultivate an inner citadel of peace and strength. Their experiences illuminate the path of Stoicism as not only a philosophical inquiry, but as a living practice, guiding us through the vicissitudes of life with grace and fortitude. Applying Stoicism in our lives. So how can we weave the rich tapestry of Stoic principles into the fabric of our daily lives? It begins with the recognition of our power over our perceptions, decisions, and actions. By embracing adversity as a forge for character and wisdom, we unlock the true potential within us. Stoicism invites us to view challenges not as impediments, but as opportunities for growth, learning, and self-discovery. Incorporating Stoic practices into our routine, such as reflective journaling, mindfulness meditation, and the contemplation of nature, can transform our approach to life's hurdles. It teaches us to detach from the chaos of external events and find tranquility within ourselves. Through Stoicism, we learn that true resilience is not just about enduring, but about thriving amidst adversity. The journey through Stoicism is a journey inward, towards a fortress of calm and clarity within our own minds. The stories of Cato, Mandela, Stockdale, and countless others serve as beacons of hope and exemplars of strength. As we navigate the complexities of the modern world, let their legacies inspire us to embrace the Stoic path of wisdom, courage, and inner peace. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Stoicism and its profound impact on overcoming adversity. If you found value in today's episode, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to Mind Mastery TV for more insights into mastering your mind and emotions. Share your thoughts and experiences with Stoicism in the comments below. Until next time, may you find strength in the Stoic way. And remember, it's not what happens to us, but how we respond that defines our character.